Hi everybody, can you hear that? It's day 13 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. I keep shaking it. Oops, sorry, I didn't realize my camera was crooked. I think it's a puzzle. Shall we see? Alright, let's go. This is day 13 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. It's a Bob Ross puzzle! It's a Bob Ross puzzle. She got stickers on top of it. I gotta take the stickers out. Oh, look at that! Bob Ross. He's my man. Oh, and some stickers. I got so excited when I saw Bob Ross. Look at that! Ooh. And it is called, I think this is Barn something. Yep, Rustic Barn. I was close, eh? I pretty much know his paintings. Rustic Barn by Bob Ross. 300 pieces. I know there's a way. I'm not a puzzle person, I'll be honest with you, because I'm very impatient. Okay, I like to do things and be done. If I start a puzzle, I'll be up all night doing it. Thank God it's only 300 pieces. But I know there's a way you can do a puzzle and like put a glue on it so they stay. And I'm going to see how big this is. And maybe I can do it right in a picture frame. But before I open this, I'm going to check into it. Because I would love to do this and just put it in a frame. Yeah, and see how big. See how, does it say? 14 by 11 inches. So it's probably this long. I'll have to find me a 14 by 11 inch frame. And like glue, when I know, put it all together and then sit there and pick up and glue the piece back down on like a piece of chipboard or something. That'd be kind of cool. Alright, I love Bob Ross. There's a Bob Ross stuffed animal I want, or stuffed Bob Ross I want. And some stickers, some flowers, some frame. Some flowers says hello, take me anywhere, dream. Sweet dream, another some flowers, and something beautiful. Take me somewhere nice, and some flowers. That's cool. That's a cool sticker. I don't know where you found the Bob Ross puzzle, but that is awesome. It's a 300 pieces I can handle, because I probably could do that in an afternoon. See, I'm one of these. I can't start a project, guys. I'll be honest with you. If I start a project, I have to finish that project before I go to bed, because it will drive me crazy if it's not finished. Oh, literally. So I have to make sure I don't start a project at a certain time of the night, or I'll be up all night. And that'll be like this puzzle. If I start this puzzle right now, I'll be up the rest of the night. It is 1:30 here. It's already late on the 12th. So actually it's the 13th. God, see, already, yeah. It's 1:30 in the morning and I'm still thinking it's the 12th. So technically it's the 13th. If I start that puzzle right now, I will still be up doing it at 7 o'clock in the morning, I guarantee you. So thank you, Sabrina. You know I love Bob Ross. He's my man. So as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny. Be crafty. Merry Christmas and bye for now. Love the stickers too.